In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal details on Stripe. If you've ever found yourself in need of changing your name or updating any personal information on your Stripe account, you've come to the right place. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can complete it with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account with your credentials. If you're not yet familiar with Stripe or haven't set up an account, make sure you've taken care of that first. Now with your dashboard open, it's time to move to the next step. Once you're successfully logged into your Stripe account, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface. Here you'll see a side panel with various options. We're looking for the Settings option, which is crucial for making any changes to your account. Take a moment to locate and click on Settings. This section houses all the configurations and personal details related to your Stripe account. After clicking on Settings, look for the section titled Personal Details. As soon as you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This area contains all the personal information associated with your account, such as your name, email, and more. Now, once you've accessed your personal details, you'll be able to start making edits to your information. Next, let's get to the crux of the matter. Editing your name or any personal detail you wish to update. You'll see an Edit button or a similar option within this section. Click on Edit to make the fields editable. This is where you can type in the updated information. For example, if you're changing your name, simply delete the current entry and type in the new name you'd like to have on file. After entering the updated information, ensure that everything is spelled correctly and that there are no errors. It's always a good idea to double-check your changes to avoid any future inconvenience. Once you're satisfied that everything looks accurate, you can save your changes. Most systems will have a Save or Update button. Click on this to finalize your updates. And there you have it. You've completed the process of updating your personal details on Stripe. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your account information current. If you ever need to make further changes, remember these steps and you'll have them done in no time. Thanks for following along with me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.